So you've got your bags packed, your tickets booked, and then you hear, "Government shutdown." Sounds like a buzzkill, right? Are planes grounded? Is Mount Rushmore closed? Can you even get a passport? It's confusing. But don't cancel your trip just yet. Today, I'll show you how to travel during a government shutdown and still have an amazing time. With a few key tips, we'll cover airports, national parks, passports, and, yes, snacks. Let's dive in. First up, airports. For many travelers, the airport is where the real adventure begins, but it can also be where the first big challenge appears. During a government shutdown, TSA lines can be even longer than usual. With some agents working without pay, staffing is often stretched thin, which means wait times can balloon unexpectedly. Even on a normal day, security can be stressful, but during a shutdown, patience is tested even more. The best solution? Arrive much earlier than you normally would. Think at least an extra hour, maybe even more if you're traveling during peak times or with a family. Giving yourself this buffer can make all the difference between a rushed, stressful experience and a smooth start to your trip. Once you're through security, use the extra time to relax. Grab a coffee, read a book, or catch up on messages. Organize your phone, download entertainment for your flight, or simply enjoy some people watching at the gate. Before you even leave home, check TSA's website or app for real-time wait times at your airport. This can help you plan your arrival and avoid unnecessary stress. Some airports even post updates on social media, so a quick check can save you valuable minutes. And remember, be kind to TSA agents. They're working under a lot of pressure, especially during a shutdown, and a simple thank you or a smile can really brighten their day. A little patience and a friendly attitude go a long way, not just for you, but for everyone around you. The line might move slowly, but your positive energy can make the wait feel shorter. So, pack your patience, get there early, and approach the process with confidence. With the right mindset, you'll breeze through this first challenge and set the tone for a great trip. Remember, the security line is just the first boss level of your vacation. Stay calm, stay prepared, and you've absolutely got this. Made it through the airport? Great job! Now, you're ready to embrace the great outdoors and all the adventures it promises. Time for the great outdoors. But wait, before you get too excited, there's something you need to know. National parks may be closed or have zero services. No rangers, no restrooms. This can be a real bummer if you're not prepared. Always check the official park website for shutdown updates before you go. It's crucial to stay informed to avoid any surprises. If your dream park is closed, pivot to a nearby state park. They're usually open and just as beautiful. State parks often offer similar experiences without the crowds. Think of it as a scenic detour, not a disaster. Sometimes, the best adventures are the ones you didn't plan for. You might discover a hidden gem. These lesser-known spots can offer peace, tranquility, and unique experiences. Stay flexible, check for bathrooms, and keep that adventure mindset. Being adaptable is key to enjoying your trip. Your trip isn't ruined, it's just a new kind of adventure. Embrace the unexpected and make the most of every moment. Planning international travel. Check your passport now. During a shutdown, passport processing slows way down. Delays can double or triple. If your passport expires within a year, start the renewal process immediately. Already applied? Track your status online at the State Department's site. If your trip is soon, try for an urgent appointment, but expect delays. The key: be proactive, not last minute. Renew early, avoid stress, and your future self will thank you. Trust me. Snacks and water, don't underestimate them. They might seem like small details, but they can make or break your travel experience. When you're on the move, a little planning goes a long way. Shutdowns can close airport and park concessions, leaving you hungry and thirsty. Even if places are open, Long lines or limited options can catch you off guard, especially during busy travel seasons or unexpected delays. Pack plenty of snacks, granola bars, trail mix, dried fruit, or whatever fuels you best. Think about what will keep you satisfied and energized, whether you're stuck on a delayed flight or hiking through a national park. Bring a reusable water bottle and fill it up after security or at your hotel. Staying hydrated is just as important as having food, especially when you're on the go for hours at a time. Staying hydrated and fed keeps your mood up and your trip on track. You'll have more energy, more patience, and a better attitude to handle whatever comes your way. Be the hero with snacks when your travel buddy gets hangry. Sharing a snack can turn a stressful moment into a bonding experience, and you'll both be grateful for it. This simple prep can save your day. A quick bite can turn frustration into relief and keep your adventure moving forward. You're a self-sufficient, well-fed travel machine, ready for anything. With snacks and water in your bag, you're prepared for delays, detours, and surprises. That's how you thrive, not just survive. Smart snacking is the secret weapon of every seasoned traveler. Shutdowns change things fast. Museums open one day, close the next. Stay updated with official sources. NPS.gov for parks, si.edu for Smithsonian museums, travel.state.gov for advisories. Bookmark these sites and check them daily. Follow official social media accounts for real-time updates. Ignore rumors. Trust only verified info. Make it a habit to check each morning before heading out. 5 minutes of research can save hours of disappointment. Stay informed. Stay flexible. Even with research, plans can change fast. Always have backup plans. Look for refundable tickets and flexible bookings. For every major activity, have a plan B and C ready. Make a list of shutdown-proof activities. Private museums, local tours, food adventures. If something closes, pivot quickly and keep the fun going. Being prepared means less stress and more adventure. Flexibility is your superpower. Organization is key, especially now. Keep all important documents, ID, passport, tickets, in one travel wallet or folder. Digitally back up everything. Scan or photograph your documents and save them to your phone and a secure cloud. If you lose your wallet, digital copies can save the day. This 5-minute prep gives you peace of mind. Stay organized, stay calm, and travel like a pro. You'll thank yourself later. That's your survival guide for traveling during a government shutdown. With a little prep and flexibility, your trip can still be amazing. Stay positive, adapt, and make great memories. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tips. Share your own travel hacks in the comments. Safe travels, go have an adventure.